Hi friends, hope you all are fine. Here it is raining and I'm tempted to have poha chivda. This recipe you will find people making it during Diwali. But I love this chivda to munch in my evening snacks with a hot cup of coffee. This is my all-time favorite chivda. Homemade chivdas are always better rather than buying the packed ones. Today, I will show you the patal chivda recipe which is easy and tasty. Now this is how the patal poha looks like. I will sieve the poha well. I have taken 500 grams of poha. We will remove all the fine particles. I have taken 50 grams of raw peanut, 1 whole stem of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 5 to 6 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 50 grams of roasted Bengal gram, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of asafoetida that is hing, 50 grams sliced dry coconut that is 2 inches, 25 grams cashew nuts and 3 tablespoon oil. Let's put on the flame. I have taken a wide heavy bottom pan and I will add the oil. Now once the oil is hot, I will add the mustard seeds and wait till it splutters. I love listening to this crackling sound. Once the mustard seeds open up, I will add the cumin seeds, that's jeera, and the curry leaves. Let them all pop up. Fry the curry leaves until they are crisp. I have also added chopped green chilies. We will wait till it nicely fries. Now I will add the peanuts and roast them on a medium flame until lightly golden. Now I will add the roasted grams and fry them well. Friends, if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Now I will bring all the ingredients at the side and I will fry the hing. Next goes the turmeric in the pan. Make sure you fry all the ingredients well so there is no moisture left in them. Now the patal poha is called flattened rice. Now I will add all the patal poha to the pan. In another pan, I will add 1 tablespoon of oil. The reason I am doing it is I want to fry the dry coconut which I have sliced in 2 inches each. So I will roast the sliced dry coconut till they change color and become crispy. Do not burn it. I will remove it and keep it aside. Similarly, I will fry the cashews which I have broke them in half. I will also now add the fried coconut and the cashews in the poha. Mix well so that the entire masala gets incorporated in the poha. Nicely roast the chivda on low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I will check if the poha is roasted well. Yes, if you crush them between fingers, they will powder immediately. Can you hear this sound? Now I will add the powdered sugar and salt and mix well. Now I will switch off the flame and allow it to cool before storing it in an airtight container. Patal Poha Chuda is ready. You can enjoy this as a snack in the evening or any time between meals. Friends, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.